Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 4 which is based on photonics. So the question is, a fiber has a core refractive index of 1.4 and a cladding index of 1.46. Calculate its numerical aperture and the acceptance angle in air. So in this question, we have to find the numerical aperture which is NA and acceptance angle in air. So let's solve this problem. So what is the core refractive index? Core refractive index, which can be represented it as n1 equals to 1.48, like that. Our cladding index is cladding refractive index, which is equals to n2 equal to 1.46. Then what is the formula to find the numerical aperture, which is na equals to n1 whole square minus n2 whole square. This is under root. So what is the value of n1, which is 1.48? So 1.48 whole square minus n2 value is 1.46 whole square. This is whole under root. So na equals to the square root of 1.48, which is equals to 2.1904 minus, and this square root is 2.1316 under root. So numerical aperture equals to, when you solve you will get nearly, this is nearly 0.242. So this is our numerical aperture of refractive index, core and cladding. Now in the next part we have to find the acceptance angle in air. Acceptance angle in air. Generally we consider for air n not equals to 1, but in this case we have to calculate manually. So the formula is na equals to sin of theta a. So na already we know, which is 0.242. So this is 0.242 equals to sin theta a. So now theta a equals to, this become sin inverse 0.242. So now we will calculate this with the help of scientific calculator. So this is our calculator. First we press shift, along with we have to press sin. Here sin inverse is there. So now we need to put the value, which is 0.242 and close the bracket, equals to, you will get 14.00. So our acceptance angle, which is equals to 14.0 degree. So this is our final answer. Like that you have to solve in the examination with the help of scientific calculator. If you want these notes, our WhatsApp link channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.